So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another module that is a part of use employee agents to get the work done, that is solve the case of missing diaper bag. So simply open it and make sure you have completed the first and second module, because if you miss anything you may face some issue and it will take a lot of time to get it reset. So better just follow the sequence. I have updated the playlist, you can just check it out and just complete all the things. Now coming over here to the module, so you have to simply come to the challenge and from here just launch it. Now just come to the case and just scroll down. From here we have to do all the things. Now what we have to do, we have to just open the Coral Cloud Resort app. So from this app launcher you have to just open it. If it is not visible you can just type it also like this and just open it. So it will take few seconds for the app to open. Now if it is not showing over here, just refresh it and try again. Now click on it. Now from here we have to change it from guest agent to customer service agent and then just select it. Now wait for a few seconds and just come over here and just copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now what we have to do, you have to come down over here and just copy this and simply paste over here, hit enter. So it will just change the so it will just change the assigning, means you can see owner from me to the housekeeping. So after that what we have to do, we have to change the status like this. So earlier the status was different, now it is escalated. Okay, so we have to just come down over here and just check the score for this particular module. And this is a very simple hands-on challenge. Okay, I used to think that it would be a little bit lengthy, but it was very easy to complete. And now I think only the last was remaining, so it will be also uploaded very soon. Stay tuned in the channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.